Hi, lovely people. It's your number one Aaron right here once again. This is K&A Aaron on TikTok and K&A Aaron on YouTube as well. If this is your first time ever seeing me, what I do is I help nurses all over the world who want to relocate to the US to work here as RNs, be able to do so at ease. Okay. From the previous videos that we've been doing, today's video is going to be about the learning materials that you need to be able to excel in your NCLEX process. Okay, so most of the times people want to DIY, and one of the very common questions they ask is where can we get learning materials to be able to proceed into this process. So I always say that there are some that are free and there are some that are you have to pay to be able to access them. Okay, so I'll dive into right, explain to you some of the learning materials, and then how you can get them, and also the best that you can ever use. Okay, all right, so stay with me. Very first common learning materials that I'll talk about is sounders. So with sounders, we call it the nurse's Bible. Virtually everybody that has embarked on this journey of NCLEX knows about sounders. So sounders have the latest edition, which is the ninth edition. If you have the eighth edition, it's fine. So what sounders does is it gives you the ability to know everything about the NCLEX. So if you open your sounders book, unfortunately, I don't have it here, but I can just put a picture of it on top here for you. If you open the Sounders book, it tells you about the NCLEX, what it is about. It tells you about the content that you're supposed to learn, the topics that you are supposed to learn. So we have the maternity side, we have pharmacology, we have ethics, we have um, medical, surgical, pediatric. So every topic that you need to do uh, to be able to write the NCLEX and exceed is in the Sounders. The Sounders is used to build content. When I say content, it's basically what you need to know in you. So I always say that if you don't have content before going to the board to write your NCLEX, it's like you going to draw water from an empty well, nothing will come out. So you use the sounders to learn everything. And again, in the sounders, they have sample questions that can help you if you don't know how the questions are set. There are a lot of sample questions that you can try your hands on whilst you build your content. Okay, so number one thing that you should not miss is your sounders, either 8th or ninth edition. Get it. Those in the UK, in Canada, in US, you can get it on Amazon.